How's that look? Hey, meal preppers, Paul here. How you doing this week? Amy behind the camera. Hope you guys are having a phenomenal week. Ready for the weekend. We got some stuff that may get you out of your comfort zone, explore some new tastes, some new flavors, empower yourself, just kind of see how far you can cook in the kitchen. We love it. We love to try new stuff, especially one dish. We made some cold gazpacho. Never had gazpacho before.
Nope.
Don't even know if I'm saying
Hi,
that
Marina, our niece,
exactly.
who lives in Spain. Is like, oh, it is the summer treat in Spain.
She definitely inspired us. So as a pseudo fall is coming to Texas, it's perfect time.
First day of fall, but it's 90 degrees outside.
For gazpacho. So that's where we'll start, right over here, guys. Look how colorful that is. Gazpacho basically is a cold tomato soup. Amy actually made it, so I know there's some cucumbers in there to get a little crispness.
Red pepper, shallots, garlic, lemon juice, some sherry vinegar.
Yeah, that vinegar is awesome,
basil,
guys.
and just like let it all sit and let the flavors come together, salt and pepper, and then blend it.
Yep. So we used some fresh Campari tomatoes, some Romas, an heirloom. Just kind of blended it all up, but you got to blanch them, take the skins off, and then just let them sit.
That was kind of a pain in the butt.
That did take a little bit. That does take a little bit. But like I said, guys, get out of your comfort zone a little bit. Try to explore. And then we just paired it with a protein, you know. So we got some, just some, I don't know what
it's a Spanish marinated chicken. Yeah, the recipe has at least,
olive
as
oil,
far as the recipe said, it's
rosemary,
Spanish
oregano,
flavors, smoked paprika.
Yeah, so we just found a quick little marinade for that.
Pretending we're in Spain.
We wanted to obviously pair this with something that had a little protein to it. So, but yeah.
We're excited about that.
Yeah, I'm excited about that one.
Yep.
And then over here, guys, a stuffed Mediterranean pork tenderloin here. So it's stuffed with, so not as easy as it look. I mean, not as hard.
Does not look easy, but
sweet, but not as hard as it looks. All right, so slice open your pork tenderloin all the way down to it's almost all the way sliced open, and then just saute some spinach and some garlic, and then put it into a mixing bowl with some sun-dried tomatoes and feta. Stuff it in there, wrap it up with the string, and while that's baking, you prep your veggies, because we roasted these too. We got Brussels sprouts and broccoli, so we cut those up. So while this is obviously going to bake a little bit longer, they're about the same almost, but while that's going, you can get these all in the pan and put in the oven too, and then the oven just does the work. All right, so
I think we did more.
Well, no, it's not too bad.
But we were, when we first got the pork out, we were a little concerned, like with the pink edges. It's okay for pork to have a pink blush inside, but we used the thermometer and we cut it open, and
so
it's cooked all the way through. I think it's just those cut edges.
Yeah, and then while that was while all that's baking, I just whipped up a little balsamic dressing here. It's balsamic and Dijon. We use Dijon like a lot this month. So, and yes, fresh garlic, a little bit of rosemary, I think. And then, so we can dip it in there. You can pour it over it when you heat it up.
Yep.
And then over here, a slightly different dish. We did this a long time ago. We thought about it. Our kiddos were asking for some stuffed
sweet potatoes.
So we made some stuffed sweet potatoes. And actually, we added a protein on there, some ground turkey that I just put smoked paprika and oregano and garlic powder in there. And then on top of that is some sauteed spinach. We got some white beans, and then any kind of cheese you like. We had a combination of mozzarella and Monterey Jack.
I used the Monterey Jack on theirs and the mozzarella on ours.
Yeah, and then we poached some eggs on top. So look at that.
And the kids, we made some for them, and they're vegetarian. Yeah. So there's just, sorry, trying to zoom and can't. There's just don't have the turkey. Watch out. Unsteady cam. Yeah, theirs just don't have the turkey.
Yeah.
And not as much spinach because it all cooked down so much. You know how it is.
Spinach is kind of the only veggie in this. We've got the potatoes, gives you a good starch. We got the protein. The beans have more protein. The egg has more protein. So just an all-around little protein boost there. And then, guys, I was going to let you know about these cups. We do have these in our kitchen store. So you can buy these cups. They just come in packages of, obviously, the cup and the lid. We were just talking about maybe trying to find some kind of recyclable use. Maybe
glass reusable.
Little glass reusable dish instead of doing these. But you can buy these. They're not expensive at all. Like $2
ounce portion
you get
cups.
Like 200 of these things.
Look up Jell-O shots. You'll find them.
And guys, admire that little beautiful flower arrangement that Amy made. She's so good at that. And guys, let us know what you think of the soup especially. And I hope you guys have a tremendous weekend.